Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of biology. And of course today we are going to be looking very evidently at another cell organelle, all right, which is the chloroplast. Okay, so you will see later on in the next episode we'll talk about the mitochondria, and you see the similarities between the chloroplast and the mitochondria. All right, so they draw a lot of similarities. Okay, so let's talk about the chloroplast. But before we do that, let's take a question from the app. Know that this video tutorial, of course, is brought to you by the O3 School JAMB app. Like I've always hinted, it is all you need to succeed in your exam. Okay? See, you have all the resources in one application to succeed in your exam. So instead of to go and buy past question four past question for 1,500 naira each, to give you 6,000. Okay, you can get this app for just 3,000 naira, and you have all the past questions. You have textbooks or lecture notes according to the JAMB syllabus. You have a opportunity to participate in mock exam every Saturday, and so many more. Even question search feature, you can search for question according to topic. I'm not going to talk about the app because I'll be talking about it in ensuing videos. All right, but please go and get this application, download it, and start practicing like your life depends on it. You'll see yourself succeeding maximally. All right, so this is a 1999 question number 12 from the O3 Schools JAMB CBT practice app, which is being displayed on your screen right now. And it says, in plant cells, the chloroplasts are located. Where is the chloroplast located? If you know Noam, you know Noam. Okay, so please, there are so many questions on the app. Please, we are going to come back to these questions after the end of the class, because most of you, I discover you don't watch to the end. All right, it is important you listen to the class, then before we start taking questions. We'll take questions at the end of the class. All right, so please stay till the end. Enjoy the class. All right, so do not forget to like this class. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you do not like it, what you are doing is not good. You are doing waiting no good. Please click on that like button that does look like this. All right, it will make other students easily find this video. You know what made their pass? You know what make their pass? Please click on that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, because subscription is free, and we will send notification to your phone anytime we publish a new video. So it's to help you. All right, do not forget to also share these videos. So the chloroplast, okay, it is located in the cytoplasm, okay, of the cell, okay, because in the cytoplasm is where most metabolic reactions occur. All right, so it is present, or it is located in the cytoplasm. All right, so first of all, it's very important to know that the chloroplast is the cell organelle that's only located in plant cells. It is located in In plant cells only. All right, and of course they have a substance. The chloroplast has a substance that we call chlorophyll. You must have heard about, even if say you don't know anything, you go down here about chlorophyll before. Okay, chlorophyll is the substance that gives plants their green coloration. Okay, it gives plants their green color. Okay, so you see green plants everywhere because they have a substance that we call chlorophyll. All right, so please, I'll go over that again and say that that the chloroplast, okay, is cell organelle that is located only in plant cells. Located only in plant cells, and they have a substance I'll call the chlorophyll, which gives plants their green coloration, or gives plants their green color. All right, and of course, it is important to know that the main function of the chloroplast is for photosynthesis. The main function of the chloroplast is for Is for photosynthesis, whereby plants convert light energy from sunlight. They convert light energy. Please take note of that. Light energy from sunlight. Into chemical energy. That are either stored by the plant as starch. The other was stored by the plant as starch. Okay, this is either stored by stored by the plant as starch, or it is used by the plant. Okay, so I'll go over that again and say that that the main function of the chloroplast is for photosynthesis. Okay, and it's a process whereby plants convert light energy from sunlight that they get from sunlight into chemical energy that are now either stored, okay, by the plant in form of of starch, or used up by the plant. All right, so now the interesting part as we continue is that chloroplasts have what? Special what structures that allow them to what? To carry out this photosynthesis. Okay, so it is very important to know that they have special structures that allow them to what? To carry out this what? This photosynthesis. Number one of them is that what? The chloroplasts have what? Double membrane. It has what? A double membrane. Okay, double. You know what a double is? Two membranes. That's what a double what? Membrane. All right, chloroplasts have what? A double membrane, and that membrane is what we call the what? The intermembranous what? Space. Okay, and there's a space between what? The two membranes that we call the intermembranous space. Let me take this one off so that what we can have what? Time to enjoy ourselves on the board. So please, if you have not liked this video, like this video immediately. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you are not sharing before, let's say before, from our family, we know they share video to person. For our family, we know they share video to person. For our family, please stop that and leave that family. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. Okay? So now, so I'll continue. I say that what? That chloroplasts have special structures that enable them to carry out photosynthesis. We say one, it has what? They have what? A double what? Membrane. Double membrane. Okay, and the space between what? These two membranes, the space between these two membranes is called what? The intermembranous space. Intermembranous space. Okay, it is the space between what? These two what? Membranes. Okay, so chloroplasts will have what? A double membrane, and that space between what? The two membranes is called the intermembranous what? Space. Okay, and it is not even surprising at all about the reason why it is called intermembranous, because it is what? It is in between. Okay, it is the space in between what? The two what? Membranes. Okay, now also it is very important to know that what? Inside this membrane, there are what? Circular structures. They are circulars. SICULAR. They are circular structures that we call the thylakoids. Okay, we call them the what? The thylakoids. Okay, THYLAKOIDS. Okay, inside what? This what? Intermembranous what? Space. There are what? Circular structures that we call what? The thylakoids. Okay, it is in these thylakoids that the first phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place. So the first phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place in the thylakoid membrane. It takes place in the what? In the thylakoid membrane. Okay, the first phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place in this what? Thylakoid what? Membrane. And of course, these thylakoids can be what? It can be arranged in stacks. Okay, they can be arranged in stacks, in STACKS. They can be arranged in stacks, all right, and to form what? What we call what? Granum. Okay, to form what we call granum. All right, to form what we call what? Granum. Okay, these thylakoids are talking about. They arrange in what? In stacks. Okay, that is one on top each other like this. Okay, and they are called what? Granum. All right, now it is very important to know that what? This granum, there's a space inside what? This granum, in between what? The granum. There are what? There are spaces inside what? This granum. Okay, and those spaces in the granum are what we call the thylakoid space. The thylakoid space. All right, we call what? The space. Okay, in this what? Granum, what? The thylakoid space. All right, now likewise, it's very important to know that the other parts of what? Or the chloroplasts. All right, we're talking about the thylakoid, we're talking about the granum. All right, we're talking about the double membrane that it has. The other parts that are remaining, okay, in the chloroplast is what we call the stroma. We call the stroma. STROMA, the stroma. Okay, it is in this stroma that the second phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place. Okay, it is in this stroma that the second phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place. The first phase occurs what? Where? In the what? In the thylakoid what? Membrane. Okay, the second phase of photosynthesis occurs in the what? In the stroma. All right, so please take note of that. Now, having known this, another interesting part of this is to note that what? The what? Like I said, the inside, the other remaining part of the inside of what? Of the chloroplast is called the stroma, and it is where the second phase of what? Photosynthesis what? Takes place. Also, chloroplasts, okay, have what? They are what? They have their ribosomes and their DNA. They have their ribosomes And they have what? Their own what? DNA. And these ribosomes and DNA, they are also what? Located in this what? Stroma. All right, so please take note of that. So I'm going to go over that one once again before what we take what questions, okay? And I remember telling you that what that the chloroplast, okay, is found, okay, in the cytoplasm of what? Of the cell, because it is in the cytoplasm that what? All major what? Metabolic reactions will take place. All right, so it's very important to know that to start with. And then we'll say that what? That chloroplasts are what? The cell organelles that are located only in what? In plant cells. Okay, that are only located in what? In plant cells. It's very important to also know that. And likewise, I move further to tell you that they contain what? A substance, or they possess a substance that we call chlorophyll. That we call what? Chlorophyll. That gives plants that what? That green chlorophyll. That gives plants that what? That green coloration. All right, and we say that the main function of what? Of the chloroplast is for photosynthesis, okay, whereby what? Plants convert light energy that they got from the sun into chemical energy that are stored as starch in the plant, or that are what? Used up by the what? By the plant, okay. And we do say that what? That chloroplasts have special structures that enables them to what? To carry out this photosynthesis. All right, number one, we say the possession of what? Of a double membrane. All right, it has what? A double membrane, and the space in between those double membrane, one we call what? The intermembranous what? Space, okay. Likewise, we say what? They have what? Circular structures, okay, that we call what? The thylakoids, okay. And it is in this thylakoids that what? That the first phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place, okay. We say the first phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place in the what? Thylakoids membrane. All right, then we said that what? These thylakoids, they are arranged in stacks. They are arranged in stacks that we call the granum. We call them what? Granum. All right, and inside this granum, there are what? Spaces inside it that we call what? The thylakoids what? Space. All right, aside this, we continued, of course, to talk about what? The what? The chloroplast. Or I will say that the inside, or the remaining inside of what? Of the chloroplast is what we call the stroma. Okay, and it is in this stroma that the second phase of photosynthesis reaction takes place. All right, then of course it's very important to know that what, which is a very, very interesting fact, is that what? That chloroplasts have their own ribosomes and what? And DNA. Okay, they have their own ribosomes and DNA that are located in the what? In the stroma also. Alright, so now we'll go to the what? To the past questions, and then we'll take some few ones before what we leave this class. Okay, this is the first question we're trying to attempt before. This is a 1999 question. Number 12, and it says, in plant cells, the chloroplasts are located in, where did we say? In the what? In the cytoplasm. A, they say inside the cell wall, which is wrong. B, they say outside the protoplasm, which is wrong. C, they say within the vacuole, which is wrong. D, they say within the cytoplasm, which is very, very what? Correct. All right, so now let's go to the next question. This is a 1995 question, number 2. It has been displayed on the screen right now. It said, which of the following organelles are likely to be present in cells and actively respiring, that are actively respiring and photosynthesizing? Okay, so which of the following organelles are likely to be present in cells that are actively respiring and photosynthesizing? Okay, and the correct answer, of course, will be first of all chloroplast and what? And mitochondria. All right, they say A, they say nucleolus and centrioles. B, we say mitochondria and chloroplast. C, we say lysosome and ribosomes. D, they say Golgi body and endoplastic or reticulum. Of course, chloroplast, the only one that has chloroplast there is what? Is option what? Option B, which will make it the correct answer. Okay, now I told you that what? That as an introduction, I told you the mitochondria and the chloroplast, they have what? Similar what? Functions. All right, so I don't want to jump the gun. In the next episode, we're going to look at the mitochondria so that we'll be able to understand. But understand that what? Mitochondria and chloroplast are the correct answer here. All right, now 2018 number 33. So which of the following substances is contained in the chloroplast? Which of the following substances is contained in the chloroplast? A, they say starch. B, they say sugar. C, glycogen. D, dextrin. Don't need to be told. Okay, we say what? When they convert during photosynthesis, they convert light energy from the sun to what? Chemical energy that either was stored as starch, okay, or used up by the what? By the plant. So the correct answer there will be what? Will be option A, starch. Okay, there's thousands of other questions on this app. Go to the O3 School JAMB app, go to the Play Store right now and download the O3 School JAMB app and start practicing your way to sure success in your JAMB exam. All right, my name is Master T, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.